First we're opening colors, red color, and the next one is silver color. Exactly. The next one is light green color, blue color, dark pink color, yellow color, orange color, white color, purple color, light pink color. The next one is dark green color, sky blue color, black color. Kids, the last one is brown color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Kids, the next one is I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. The next one is Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Kids, first we are using the color of black and writing the alphabet of A. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball. C. C for cow. D. D for doll. E. E for elephant. Exactly. Kids, the next one is F. F for fish. Yeah. G. And the next one is H. H for exactly hand. So kids, now we're using the color of light green and writing the alphabet of I. I for eyes. And the next one is J. J for joker. K. And the next one is L. L for lemon. M. M for mango. N. N for nose. And the next one is O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Now we are using the color of silver. Q. Now we are writing Q. The next one is R. R for rose. S. S for sun. The next one is T. T for tiger. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. So kids, now we're using the color of brown and writing W. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yolk. Z. Z for light pink color. And the next one is brown color. Orange color. Now we're opening the color of dark pink color, light green color, silver color, silver color. The next one is white color, sky blue color, dark green color, exactly, black color. And the next one is yellow color, red color. Kids, now we're opening the color of purple, and the last one is blue color. First we're using the color of blue, and now we're writing 1, 2, the number of 3, 4. Stay with us. 5. The next one is 6, 7, 8, 9. Exactly. 10. Stay with us. Light pink color. 11, 12, 13, 14. The next one is 15, 16, 17, 18. Exactly, 18. Now we're using the color of light green. 19, 20, 21. The next one is 22, 23, 24, 25. Now we're using the color of dark green. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. The number of 30.
Yellow color, black color, blue color, red color, green color, and yellow ochre color. So kids, now you draw A and use yellow color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, T for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for god, H for helicopter, I for ice cream. It's now you draw J. J for joker, K for king, L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's now you draw R. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. V for vine. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1. And use red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7,
Now I know my ABCs.
8,
Next time, won't you sing with me?
9,
A B C D E F G H I J
and
K
10. Blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, yellow ochre color, and black color. So kids, now you draw 1 and use blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kids, now you draw 5. The numbers are 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kids, now you draw 9. The numbers of 9 and use yellow color. 9, 10, 11. Kids, now you draw 12. The numbers of 12. 12, 13, 14. Kids, now you draw 15. The numbers are 15. 15, 16, 17. Kids, now you draw 18. The numbers of 18. 18, 19, and 20. Color, black color, blue color, yellow color, green color, and yellow ochre color. So kids, now you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use black color. J for Joker. K for King. L for Lion. M for Moon. N for Nose. O for Orange. P for Parrot. Q for Queen. R for Rose. Kids, now you draw S. And U is blue color. S for Sun. T for Teacher. U for Umbrella. V for Van. W for Wheel. X for Xylophone. Y for Yo-Yo. And Z for Zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1. And U is yellow color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.